get started. Cuties at home. Beauties in house. Can we get started? Yes? We are here today. Look at all these hot sauces coming in. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever we are, my beauties online. Special class today, news alert, we have some visitors. Raise your hand if you're from the UK. I love it. We've got some visitors. And more so, they're celebrating birthdays. So we have Sarah, Ellie, and Helen. And we have mom-daughter celebrating birthdays. So mom and daughter, raise your hands. What? So they're here to celebrate. And so at the end of class, there's a surprise. So at the end of class, whether you're online or here, you're going to participate. There's a surprise. Okay? So, yeah. All right. Okay. Shake it out. Remember, we have our 3 girls visiting from the UK, and 2 of them, it's their birthday, mom and daughter. So at the end of class, we're going to do a little birthday song and get them to dance. So just, if you want to stay for that, that'll be like clapping and singing for them. And it's super special. You'll see why. You'll see why. Okay, bring it back. Look, they're all in the corner. Should I show you? Look. Oh, Millie's back, though. Millie is the one that was like, I'm leaving for my water, whether that teacher likes it or not. Love her. Ken is saying hi. All right, bring it back. The girls at home are ready. Miami people living their best lives. We have some special peeps in the house. We've got Miss Helen, Sarah, and Ellie from the UK. Come on up. And we got birthdays. Everybody clapping at home, in house. Get in the middle, make a circle. Make a circle. We're gonna sing to you. Yes. Ready, everybody? Hip drop. Happy birthday to you. Let's go, let's go. Other side, please. That includes you at home. Singing with us. Get ready. Shimmy. Let's go. I love it. You girls, you break it down. Egyptian walk around the world. If you don't want to do it on camera, you can do it here. Follow me. I love it. Good. Let me see some moves. Let's go. Dance in your pants. Put the dance in your pants. Ooh, figure eights. I love it. Can everyone shimmy? Let's go. Shimmy. I love it. Happy birthday, girls. I love it. Happy birthday. And thank you for coming. Mine's gone. She said her birthday's gone. Okay, bring it back. Bring it back. Happy birthday. If you ever come to class and it's your birthday and you let me know, you will be, in a good way, embarrassed. Happy birthday to you,